Friends, good evening. Today I am going to tell you new strategy. You might not aware of this strategy. This strategy will be useful in swing trading rather than intraday trading. Yes, once you become expert in intraday after 1 or 2 years or 3 years, you can use this trading in intraday also. This strategy is called right angle ascending broadening wedge chart pattern trading. This is a new pattern which you must be aware of. Trade time frame is 30 minutes, 1 hour or daily chart. Trade setup, stock market should be in one way, either bull or bear, that you have to judge. Always trade with the primary trend, whether it is a bullish or bearish. You can draw a trend line to identify a trend. Trading preferred time I have given 9:20 am to 11:30 am and 1:40 pm to 2:45 pm. My recommendation is do trading 9:20 am to 11:30. Do not do in the second half, because I have talked to a lot of traders, and as per my previous experience, if you earn some amount in second half, because market direction is always dicey, you are going to lose. Even if due to over trading, your losses will be more. So please avoid strictly. This strategy should be avoided in range bound or sideways market. You must be aware none of indicators are working in range bound or sideways market. So please avoid, because you will get frequent buy and sell signals. So whether you buy, whether you sell, you are going in losses. Right angle ascending broadening wedge. Let's go through its definition. Right angle ascending broadening wedge is a downtrend reversal pattern. The pattern is formed by diverging two lines. The support is a horizontal line and the resistance is absolute bullish one. So it is inverted descending triangle. The oscillations between two triangles terminal are therefore becoming increasingly large. Each line must be touched at least twice to be validated. So you can see this is a right angle ascending broadening wedge. In this there are two patterns. One is the continuation pattern. It means stock is going in uptrend and it will continue for uptrend. You see the height. This height should be taken as a profit as a reference. And in reversal pattern, you remember it is in uptrend and stock will go in downtrend. If this is the height, the objective should be half. That is the difference between continuation and reversal right angle ascending broadening wedge. So let's go ahead. Right angle ascending broadening wedge reflect investor growing nervousness and indecision. If the pattern is not spotted quickly, the movement may appear totally random, and thus it is a trap to many investors. This pattern formation has to be preceded by bullish movement Although one could think this pattern is a reversal because of its shape, it is more likely a mark of lack of buyers in bullish movement which does not manage to become sustainable. The price objective is given by plotting the top point of triangle as it start where it is breakout. Another technique consists in plotting maximum height of the triangle at the breakout point. So this is this diagram, this pattern you must try in daily chart and try to see, take 20 stocks and try to identify and see whether you are getting edge or the profit or the height, whatever is there. So you do it practice and you know how to draw a trend line. You can see this, you can say as a support, and this you can say a resistance. So continuation pattern means uptrend will continue, reversal pattern is uptrend and the stock will go downtrend. Statics at right angle ascending broadening wedge. So there are some statics. You must be, as a trader, you must be aware of statics. This strategy should be used by traders who are experienced more than 2 to 3 years. In 70% of cases, there is a bearish exit. In 90% of cases, the minimum objective of the pattern is achieved by using technique of the maximum height of the triangle. In event of a bearish exit, the percentage drops to 43%. The failure rate is 6% on horizontal exit. Please remember. In 44% of cases, there is a pullback in the case of bullish exit and 72% in case of bearish exit. So these are the pullback cases on bullish and bearish exit. Notes there. Some notes are right angle ascending broadening wedges. It is a reversal. Reversal pattern. The movement is much greater than if there is an upward exit. The configuration that perform the best are those that are preceded by slight movement before the triangle is formed. Bearish breaks perform better when the price line is in the lower third of annual range and vice versa for bullish breaks. Pullbacks are detrimental to performance. Higher pattern perform better than the lower ones. So these are the notes. So trading strategies for right angle ascending broadening wedges. Trading strategy: entry, opening a short position on the support break. Stop loss, the stop loss is placed above support. Objective, theoretical objective of the pattern. Advantage, minimum objective very often achieve 91% of cases. Disadvantage, pullbacks are common 72%. It may therefore be wise to wait the pullback to open position. Aggressive strategy: entry, opening a long position on the third contact with the support. Please remember. So you see third contact of the support, first, second and third. Stop loss is placed below the lowest point. Objective, opposite terminal of triangle. Advantage, the amplitude of movement will significant in the event of bounce toward the opposite terminal. Low risk. Disadvantage, more frequent bearish exit. Aggressive strategy: entry, opening a short position from third point contact with resistance. Stop loss, the stop loss is placed above at the highest one. Objective, opposite terminal of the triangle. Advantage, bearing exits are more frequent. For your information, right angle Ascending broadening wedges is a reversal chart pattern. Its opposite a right angle descending broadening wedge. So friends, this is new pattern. You can try this. I have told you setup. Please subscribe video in case of not done subscription. You will be getting new updates, new strategy. You will get the notification. Please forward to friends who are doing trading, who want to learn financial market. These patterns are very useful. If you use a pattern in swing trading or intraday also, you are going to get success. So some traders only trade on pattern, some on candles, some use candles indicator. So some are doing trading with trend line only. So there are a lot of tricks available in the market. Please remember, this technical analysis is art and science. So you have to mix art and science and get the success. So this is from my end. Thank you friends. Good night.